Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hobby is what a person likes to do in his spare time. Hobbies differ like taste. If you have chosen a hobby according to your character and taste, you are lucky because your life becomes more interesting. The most popular hobby is doing things. It includes a wide variety of activities from gardening to traveling, from chess to volleyball. Both grown up and children are fond of playing different computer games. This hobby is becoming more and more popular. Making things including drawing, painting, handicrafts. Many people collect something coins, stamps, compact discs, toys, books. Some collections have some value. Rich people often collect paintings, rare things, and other art objects. Often such private collections are given to museums, libraries. As for me, I like to listen music and draw pictures. But my chief hobby is reading books. I like to read classical books. I like classical music too. Of course, I like to spend my spare time with my friends. We talk about all sort of things, politics, teachers, girls. We discuss films, books, TV programs. In fine weather, we like to be in the open air. We find a nice place somewhere in the forest. We make a fire, bake potatoes, and have a lot of fun. When the weather is bad, my friends come to my place. We have a good time together.